Hi, I will explain about cockpit instrument. I have the radar's pedals. Fluid motion enable accurate command over your aircraft, while differential braking provides independent control of the left and right two brakes. The footrest adjusts to accommodate a wide range of size and includes non-slip materials to help keep the pedals on the floor during virtual flight. And side stick is an aircraft control column or joystick that is located either sides of the pilot's SNG, usually on the starboard side, or attached to the two flight seats. Usually this is found on aircraft equipped with a fly-by-wire control system. The throttle control is usually located to the left of the pilot or centered on a dual-seat flight deck. Only one hand can be used for the stick, and second-hand operation when necessary. Side sticks are used in many modern military combat aircraft, such as the Falcon F-16 fighting Mitsubishi F-2 Dassault Rifle and F-22 Raptor, as well as on civilian aircraft, such as the Sukhoi Superjet 100, Airbus A320, and later Airbus aircraft, including the large passenger jet aircraft, the Airbus A318. Next, center stick or center stick in the United States, or simply control stick, is an aircraft cockpit arrangement where the control column or joystick is located in the center of the cockpit between the pilot legs. The center stick is part of the aircraft flight control system and is usually connected to the aileron and elevator, or alternatively to the elevator, to the control rods or control cable on the basic aircraft. On heavier, faster, and more sophisticated aircraft, the center stick can also control the power assistance module. The center stick of modern aircraft is also usually equipped with a number of electrical control switches that are easily reached with finger, reducing the workload for the pilot. Next, yoke, alternatively known as a control wheel or a control column, is a device used for piloting some fixed-wing aircraft. The pilot uses the yoke to control the attitude of the plane, usually in both pitch and roll. Throttle, more often referred to as a thrust lever or power lever, is the means by which the pilots control the amount of fuel provided to the engine with which is associated. In some older aircraft, the pilot shares on seat of the throttle and a second seat was installed at the flight engineer station. Pedestal is the central part of the cockpit between the two pilots and usually comprises the throttle, flaps, and trim control, radio control units, weather radar, and various computer interfaces such as the Flight Management System or FMS. This instrumentation is common to both pilots, even that found the ceiling panel from where a multitude of systems can be controlled, or cabin temperature, fuel, de-icing, air conditioning, and electricity. Instrument distribution in a cockpit is not haphazard but placed in particular according to their frequency of use. The next, panel instrument. Aircraft instruments are the means of supplying the pilot with information about the aircraft, and its operation could be useful and lead to safer flight. Electricity is often used by of wires that carry sensor information into the cockpit. Sometimes pneumatic lines are used. Next, overhead panel is the nerve center of the aircraft system and replaces many of the controls previously located on the flight engineer's panels. The following page shows how the function and layout of this important panel has evolved from its root in the 1915s. The last, windshield. Cockpit windscreen, or sometimes referred to as windshield, are typically comprised of several layers designed to deal with air pressure of up to 500 knots and to avoid shattering when striking a bird. However, they are not indestructible. A common cause of windscreen shattering is severe hailstorm. And in this picture, how about the windshield works? And for the last, I will say thank you and see you.